Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to import Excel files into SPSS. So you start by looking at the top of your screen where you have the SPSS menus and you press on File. Then you look for Import Data and you have to import since Excel is not a native format in SPSS. That is, it is not an SAV file. You press Excel and now you choose the file that you want to import. In our case, body fat. You press Open and SPSS shows this dialog box where you have a preview of the file that you are about to import. By default, SPSS imports the entire worksheet, but you can also choose to select a range of cells to import into SPSS instead of the entire sheet. By default, again, SPSS reads variable names from the first row of the data, since in the first row of your Excel file you used to have the names of the variables in a column, and they will show up here in the preview. Then you have this line. That means that by default the percentage of values that determine the data type in your column will have to be 95%. That is, if you, for instance, have 95% of values that are numeric in your column and only 5% that are text, SPSS will treat all the values in the column as numbers, and the column will have the data type numeric. Then the only thing that's left to do is to press OK. And here you have your data safely imported into SPSS.